Hi, I'm Ethan Hochul with Century 21. Today we're here to talk rehabs with Ryan with Rallycap Properties.
My name is Ryan Francois. I'm the owner of Rallycap Properties, and I got into rehabbing homes shortly after I graduated college. I studied civil engineering and architecture, and I really also enjoyed the hands-on aspects of construction. We started Rallycap Properties in 2015, and at the time we really saw a need here in Des Moines for a nicer product in the older neighborhoods near downtown. There were a lot of nuisance and distressed properties that we would drive by and see like an opportunity for improving those neighborhoods, improving the value of property, and also creating a business around that. So like a lot of our properties that we purchase, this home at 2721 Linden was a foreclosure property. I bought it sight unseen at auction, so I didn't have a chance to go inside or inspect it or anything like that. But it was in our core neighborhood. I focus on a 3 neighborhood area here in Des Moines. So Woodland Heights, north of Grand, and Drake neighborhood. And when an opportunity comes up to renovate an older home that's been abandoned and we can purchase at a distressed price, generally try and jump on those opportunities. Right now we're nearing the end of the renovation here at Linden. So we did a lot of structural work on this house. We reframed the entire roof system. We're standing in the master suite now, and so these vaulted ceilings and open layout, this wouldn't have been possible without some major structural work. So there was also termite damage and water damage that we had to correct. We opened the layout on the first floor to make the kitchen a bit larger and kept most of the historic trim and fireplace and built in all of the elements that made it a really great old house. I think with older homes it's important to look at not just the fun, pretty stuff like a new kitchen or remodeling the bathrooms, but look at the structural elements of the home. That's something that we take a lot of pride in with our work, is making sure that it's properly engineered, that we're updating mechanicals and plumbing. A lot of these systems haven't been updated since the home was built 100+ years ago. So if you're doing a major renovation, it's a good time to start taking a closer look at those and making the improvements that are going to help the home last another 100 years. As a homeowner, if you're taking on a major renovation, you definitely want to look at the structural elements, like I mentioned, making sure that the mechanicals and electrical have been updated, the systems. Another good thing to keep in mind that a lot of people overlook is the insulation. So on this house, because we vaulted the ceilings, it gave us the opportunity to re-insulate the whole upstairs. And that's where a lot of your heat loss is going to be out of an old home. So there's new technology like spray foam, mineral wool, that kind of insulation that would really improve the efficiency of your home. And although it can be expensive at the time, it's going to be worth it in the long run for the cost savings and energy efficiency you'll gain. Another thing to keep in mind when you're making your selections for a renovation is to look at energy efficiency with fixtures. So we try and select LED light fixtures whenever possible, low flow faucets, dual flush toilets, energy efficient appliances. All of those things will make a big difference in the long-term cost and durability of your home. We've done a lot of rehabs here in the Des Moines area, and some of my favorites are the historic properties around the turn of the century. So this home that we're in was built in 1910, and we've done some that are even as old as the 1880s. So a couple that come to mind here in Woodland Heights were 2 properties that we bought from a foreclosure situation. They were on 27th Street and 26th Street, and both of them had been vacant and abandoned for years. And so it's really rewarding for me to do those projects where we have a major overhaul of the property. Neighbors are walking by and getting excited about seeing properties fixed up. And then when we're done, we have a public open house and we bring everybody back in to check it out. So those 2 homes really come to mind as some of my favorites. I still know the homeowners today, and we go over there for dinner parties, and it's really fun to see the homes being loved and lived in again. So thanks for checking out our project here today. We've really enjoyed working on this home and others in the Des Moines area. It's really rewarding to see these homes being renovated and improving the community. If you have any questions on your own old home, renovating a home, or if you're looking to purchase a home that's already been renovated, please get in touch. Our company is Rallycap Properties.